Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube could not sign in. Try removing and re-adding your account on this device problem in YouTube application. This message usually means YouTube cannot properly verify your Google account on this phone. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Simply restart your phone and try open it. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Step 3. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 4. Update your Google Play service and solve this problem. Step 6. Open your YouTube app. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube could not sign in. Try removing and re-adding your account on this device problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.